Hello, we are the students of final year mechanical engineering, SROF SR Rotary Institute of Chemical Technology, Bataria. Our project ID is 131672. The topic of today's presentation is Torque Enhancement System for CNG Vehicle. Our project is guided by Mr. Hiren Maida, Assistant Professor. As mentioned above, our topic is Torque Enhancement System. So how can we get this idea? So as we all know that in a recent scenario, all fossil fuel prices are increasing drastically. But compared with other fuel, CNG price is quite affordable. But in a CNG, a torque is quite low. So if a torque of CNG is going to increase, then it may possible to use in a transportation vehicle. This analysis is related to increase a torque of CNG dedicated engine by changing the piston head geometry. As we see in a poster, we have a piston design of one CNG dedicated engine. So what we do, first of all, check the air fuel mixture flow in a current piston design, and then we check other piston design with all other parameters same in a software. Now, torque produced by any engine is highly dependent on turbulence created in combustion chamber after entering of air fuel mixture into it and a compression ratio. Higher turbulence plus compression ratio is equal to higher torque of engine. By changing the design of piston head geometry, cylinder head, combustion chamber, it can be possible. Our main intent is to change piston head geometry for increasing torque. Now, I hand over to Akash Tamakwala for further discussion.
Thank you, Dey. Now I am going to discuss about the comparison of old design versus updated design. Comparison. In old version, less turbulence in combustion chamber, but in updated version, more turbulence in combustion chamber. So better mixing of fuel and air. In old version, less compression ratio, but in updated version, more compression ratio. In old version, less torque and power, but in updated version, more torque and power. Now I am explain experimental setup. In below picture of experimental setup, there is one CNG cylinder in which high pressurized gas is filled. Then after gas is come into fluid and air management system. Engine can run with the help of fluid. Torque has been measured by eddy current dynamometer. Now I hand over to Pratik Tejani.
Thank you, Akash. Now I am going to talk about objectives, advantages, and conclusion of our project. Objectives of our project is to change piston head geometry for higher compression ratio, to design piston head for higher turbulence, to increase torque of same engine with minimum changes in design, to implant our engine in transportation purpose. Advantages of our project is to develop higher amount of torque from same size engine, better mixing of air fuel mixture due to high turbulence, better combustion of fuel, so efficiency of engine is going to increase. By using CNG, we get more mileage on same CC engine. From our project, we conclude that by changing piston head geometry, the volume of combustion chamber is going to slightly change. By changing piston head geometry, we get higher turbulence, higher compression ratio, and higher amount of torque from same size engine. Thank you.